Hello everybody, my name is Pauline and today I will be showing you how to make your very own dream catcher. Now before we get right into the video, I want to give you a little history lesson on the purpose of dream catchers and where they really came from, where the idea of a dream catcher really came from. So Native American legends held that the spiderweb design inside a dream catcher would catch the bad dreams and that the good dreams flow through the beads and feathers to sleeping children, while the bad dreams would then disappear when, it was daylight outside. And I think that's a good idea. I would do anything to not have a nightmare. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here's what you're going to need: a metal hoop or any ring-like object, some twine, a string of any type or color, and some beads and feathers. I didn't have the metal hoop-like thingy, so instead I settled with using a nasty piece of cardboard I cut out of a pizza box. Use the twine to tie a knot as tight as possible at any part of your hoop. This will be your starting point. Begin to neatly wrap the hoop with the twine. This is going to take time depending on how big your hoop is, and mine was pretty big. So just bear with me. Alright, so by the time you finish step 2, you should have a hoop that looks like this. Which takes us to step 3. This is where the yarn comes in. Grab the yarn and return to the point on your hoop where you tied your first knot with the twine. This will be your base of the pattern. This is the hardest part of the whole process, so you might want to pay attention. You want to kind of make a looping motion, going under, then over, like so. Now that you have your base, take the yarn under, then over the hanging loops, and repeat the process till you reach the center of the web. At the last loop, tie the remaining thread into a knot and keep the web from unraveling. And now you have your dream catcher. Now for the best part, decorating. Grab your feather and yarn. Wrap the yarn around the tip of your feather and secure with a knot. This is the part where you grab the bead and kind of use it to cover up the knot, just so it doesn't look, gross. Use the excess thread to tie it to the bottom part of your hoop. Repeat the decorating process with the other side. And there you have it, your very own dream catcher that will give your room an aesthetic yet rustic look.